Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to my video on the Dividend Discount Model, DDM. In this video, I'm going to explain what the DDM is and how it can be used to estimate the intrinsic value of a stock based on its expected future dividends. What is the DDM? The Dividend Discount Model is a method of stock valuation that estimates the present value of future dividend payments. It assumes that the intrinsic value of a stock is equal to the present value of its expected future cash flows, which are its dividends. The DDM is based on the idea that the true value of a stock is determined by the amount of cash it will generate for its investors in the future. How does the DDM work? The formula for the DDM is quite simple. The present value of the stock is equal to the sum of the discounted future dividends. In other words, you take the expected future dividends of a stock and discount them back to the present using a discount rate. The discount rate is the expected rate of return that an investor would require to invest in the stock. Factors that affect the DDM. There are several factors that affect the DDM. The first is the dividend growth rate, which is the rate at which a company's dividend payments are expected to grow over time. The higher the dividend growth rate, the more valuable the stock is. The second factor is the discount rate, which is the rate of return that investors require to invest in the stock. The higher the discount rate, the less valuable the stock is. The third factor is the terminal growth rate, which is the rate at which a company's dividend payments are expected to grow after a certain period of time. This rate is typically assumed to be lower than the dividend growth rate. Example: let's say that a company pays an annual dividend of $1 per share and is expected to increase its dividend payments by 5% per year. If the discount rate is 10%, then the present value of the stock would be calculated as follows: PV equals sign $1, 1 plus 0.10, circumflex 1, plus $1.05, 1 plus 0.10 squared, plus $1.10, 1 plus 0.10 cubed, plus. This calculation gives us the present value of the expected future cash flows, which in this case are the dividend payments. Conclusion. So there you have it, the dividend discount model explained in just 5 minutes. Remember that the DDM is just one method of stock valuation and should be used in conjunction with other methods to make informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.